If you want to find more watch faces for your Xiaomi Watch 5, what you can do is you can use the MyFitness app or Xiaomi Fitness app, which of course you should have on your smartphone. So let's take a look. Once we open the MyFitness app, of course, go to device and make sure that Xiaomi Watch 5 is selected over here. Then we should be able to go to watch faces. Here we can find our watch faces that we already have, of course, available. Maybe some of them are actually not available on the smartwatch, but you can, of course, use them over here. So let's say we can go to this one, we can apply it straight away, and after a couple of seconds, it should be immediately updated. But you can also tap on more here at the bottom in order to open a Google Play, where we can find even more watch faces. Unfortunately, many of them are paid, but you might be able to find something completely for free, so be sure to check that list out, and you should be able to get the watch face for your Xiaomi Watch 5. Leave a like and subscribe.